Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix your store credit balance before you change stores. So to fix this, you may encounter an error saying you need to spend your store balance before changing your country or region. So this happens because you have an active balance in your iTunes, App Store or Apple Music account. To fix it, purchase something from the App Store or iTunes using your store credit to cover part of the cost. Choose an item that costs more than your store balance. For example, if your balance is 734 and the item costs $199, the remaining amount will need to be paid using another payment method. So pay the remaining amount with a different payment method and proceed. Once the purchase is complete, go to settings and in setting go to media and purchases, tap on view account and check that your balance is now zero. If this not work, go to change tap on change in country or slash region and change your country or region to update your country slash or region to fix this issue.